Wow, TCW friends and family, what a difference a year makes. Last year, at this time, we were thinking about not gathering with our friends and family. This year, all of our family and friends are talking about how they're going to gather and enjoy some food and fun with each other. For this, we're also grateful. The computer workshop has been different this year too. While we still have the virtual environment, we have our classrooms open. Clients have been in the hallways, enjoying our classrooms, enjoying the afternoon breaks in our cafe, smelling that 2 o'clock popcorn popping. For all this, we're also grateful. But most of all, at the Computer Workshop, we are grateful for you, our clients, who have supported us for the last 33 years, and especially through the last 2 years. The Computer Workshop loves what we do. We love helping you through your learning journeys, whether those be technical or professional. We are also grateful that you have stood by us and partnered with us for all this time. So the Computer Workshop would just like to give you a big old hug and thank you from our deepest part of our hearts for being here for the Computer Workshop and allowing us to serve you. Enjoy your Thanksgiving season.